Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to do motion blur, because why not? It's really easy. Import all the photos first. Then make them shorter so it looks better. Then crop if you need to. Now save the video. Import the video you just saved. Press on the clip, then scroll and choose motion blur. Press the button which says once and choose the number of photos you imported earlier. Then put the blur and blend both to 50. Then press the check. Now wait, it doesn't take long. Now you are done. This is a short video lol, but thanks for watching. Bye.